Hey everyone, so there is a new amazing app related to creator economy which is called Willa app. So basically if you're a freelancer or creator or you just work with brands, have some sponsorships, the payment is always a hassle. So it might be using PayPal, maybe you're using just Upwork or Venmo or any other system. You know that it can be troublesome to request payments, to create invoices and send reminders, not getting paid. So that's the hassle. So Willa app brings this cool innovation where you don't need to send reminders. So your client signs up for an app, you sign up for an app, and then when you did the job you are paid instantly. You don't need any reminders and stuff like that. So you just submit your work to a client, you get paid by Willa app. There is a small 2.9% fee, and then you pay it instantly, and then it's the client job to verify and approve your work, but it's done later. And if he doesn't approve it, then there are some issues, but in most cases, this app simplifies the process of payments in creator industry. So super cool. So let's dive into the app. So here's Willa app. It's in the top charts these days in finance category. So what this app is about? Basically, it's a finance app for freelancers. If you're a freelancer, definitely check it out. So maybe you're using something like Upwork or Fiverr or anything else, and you earning some money from your clients. So maybe you're a YouTuber, podcaster, and you just getting some brand deals and sponsorship and stuff like that. So this is when the Willa app can be useful for you. This is the app where you can request money from clients and send invoices and all of that. And basically this app simplifies this process a lot compared to PayPal or I don't know, Venmo or some other apps in this category. So at the moment Willa is invite only. I managed to get in. To get an invite code, you need to download the app and tap to get the code. Then you just need to answer a questionnaire. And this app is only available in United States. So if you're outside of United States, you won't be able to get an invite code. But if you're in United States and you are actively doing freelance, maybe you're also getting some brand deals and you have some experience with sponsorships, you will be put in the front of the line and you can just get the invite code right away. If you don't have a freelance experience and stuff like that, maybe you will need to wait some time to get an invite code. So anyways, that's how you can get it. So it's just how you answer these questions. So if you really want to get an invite right now, you can just answer that you are having active freelance business and a lot of brand sponsorships, and you will get invite code right away. Anyways, so this is the app. So what you can do here, again, you can just create invoices and send to your clients, get money instantly and transfer it. So these are basically the top features, because the app is super minimalistic, which makes it easy to use. So there aren't 20 features yet, but there you have it. So this is the app. This is how the home screen looks like. You will just see your Willa balance here. So your total balance, how much money you have. Then in the bottom you will see your activity. And then you can just track every request or every withdrawal. So there you have it. To request money from your client or from some sponsor and stuff, just tap in top left, and then in the bottom you will have the option to request money. So that's how it works. And when you sign up and create an account in Willa app, you will have something like 9-day free trial, which they call Willa Star, and it makes all requests and transfers free. So you have that. Then when you sign up, there is a $50 bonus waiting for you. So to claim that, you need to sign up, and then you need to send your first request to a client, and then you can claim your $50 bonus. But as you can see now, if I tap request money, nothing happens. Why is that? So you need to register your business details in this app. So yeah, so you can't start using it right away. So here is the app, and basically you need to go to getting started, finish setting up Willa, and then you need to enter this W9 and vendor forms. So these are like some admin and taxes information and business details. So can you use Willa if you don't have like company established? Yes, you can do that. You don't need that. So there are options. If you don't have a registered corporation, you can just use app right away. Just enter your social security number. If you have LLC, you can again enter social security number or federal number. So there's that, and then just tap next in top right and finish setting up Willa app. Then after you did that, you can enable withdrawals. You can you can enable vendor info for all business clients. I don't know what that is, but anyways, so the main part that you can enable withdrawals and withdraw money from Willa app to your bank account. You can only use United States bank account. So there you have it. That's your profile. Here you can change like a profile picture, just do all that. But basically that's it. That's the functionality. Of course, you need to finish setting up the app. As I'm based in Europe, I don't have like a SSN and stuff, so won't be telling you about this. But anyways, if you want to contact Willa support, you can also email them at help@willapay.com. You can also contact them via text message. And then let's just go through some FAQs. So Willa is only for US-based creative professional freelancers, influencers that get paid by brands. So Willa is currently invite only. So they say that, but of course it's not limited only to creators. Anyone basically can use it, but probably then you will need to wait more to get an invite. So how to get started? Just download iOS app. It's only available on iOS. You need to tap request invite to get an invite. And again, if you really want to get invite right now, just answer all the questions as you are the top creator in US. Willa works also with independent contractors. You don't need a company. Willa is available in the United States. To use Willa, you need to have permanent residence, permanent address in United States, US-based bank account, and US-based phone number. So Willa is also created by super cool founders from Candy Crush and Spotify and backed by EQT Ventures. Can Willa guarantee that I get paid? Is it safe and secure? Willa says they meet the highest industry security standards and guidelines and all of that. So here as well you can chat, you can contact support, brands and partnerships, all of that. So pricing, how much does it cost? Small one-time fee for each invoice. The fee is 2.9%. There are no other costs. When you sign up for Willa, you will have 9-day free trial without any fees. No interest rate. So using Willa, your money can be transferred to your bank account or PayPal. Instant. You can send separate requests. Uh, so like Willa, they claim that like Willa is better than PayPal, is easier and convenient to use. The biggest difference is that your money is always available immediately. So yeah, that's the main difference. I have experiences using PayPal, and yeah, it happens. First of all, the sending simplest invoice in PayPal is actually a big hassle. It's a lot of work. The user interface is quite complicated. You don't know what to do. Then you send invoice. Then you send reminders. So Willa claims that they can simplify the process, and that your money is always available immediately. So that's the really cool part, and that's the innovation here. Let's see how it works. What happens after I request a payment in the app? We deduct our fee and the money is available in your Willa account. And then that, so yeah, for example, if the client owes you $7, you just send a request, you instantly get paid like $971, and your client receives an email and asks to verify that you have done work, and then they can pay invoice on their terms, and your client doesn't pay any fee. One of the main advantages of Willa is that your clients don't need to file US tax forms for you. So there you have it. You can cancel payment requests and stuff. So kind of super cool app. Definitely, if you're a freelancer, definitely give it a try. So super cool app. So give it a try, guys. Especially, of course, if you're in US, I would definitely give it a try. I think you need also to convince your like clients to join the app, and then it will work super cool. But I don't know if your clients don't want to use the app, how that will work. Anyways, definitely try it out. Like this video so more people can discover this super cool app, and subscribe to my channel to find more awesome apps. There are super cool apps every day, and you will just get notified via this channel. And visit my website mrhack.io or podcast, where I also describe super cool apps. Thanks for watching, guys.